How to use AI for stock research and market analysis. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Clarity. Let me be direct with you. Right now, thousands of people are using AI to research stocks. Some are using it to analyze earnings reports, compare companies, and make investment decisions faster than ever before. Others are blindly asking ChatGPT or Claude things like, "Is this stock a good buy?" and then making decisions based on whatever answer comes back. Here's the problem. Most people are using AI for stock research incorrectly. They treat it like a magic stock picker instead of what it actually is: a very powerful research assistant. Because of this, many investors are getting overconfident, making poor decisions, or falling for convincing but misleading answers. AI can be an incredible tool for stock research and market analysis in 2026, but only if you know how to use it properly. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI for stock research and market analysis in a smart, effective, and responsible way. I'll share practical frameworks, good prompts, real examples, and the common mistakes you need to avoid. If you want to use AI as a real advantage in your investing process, instead of just following the hype, stick around. This video might change how you research stocks from now on. Let's get into it. What AI can and cannot do in stock research. Before we talk about how to use AI, we need to be realistic about its capabilities. What AI is good at: quickly summarizing long financial reports, 10-Ks, and earnings call transcripts, comparing financial metrics between multiple companies, explaining financial concepts and ratios in simple language, spotting trends and patterns in large amounts of data, generating ideas and questions you might not have thought of, helping you understand industry trends and competitive dynamics. What AI is still not great at: predicting future stock prices with high accuracy, fully understanding qualitative factors, such as management quality, company culture, or long-term competitive advantages, replacing your own judgment and critical thinking, guaranteeing that its analysis is always correct or complete. AI is an excellent research tool, but it is not a replacement for doing your own thinking. The best investors use AI to accelerate their research, not to outsource their decision-making. Best AI tools for stock research in 2026. Here are some of the most useful AI tools currently available. Tool strengths: best for limitations. ChatGPT. Flexible, good at explanations and comparisons. General research and analysis, can hallucinate information. Claude, excellent with long documents and reasoning, deep analysis of financial reports. Slightly slower than ChatGPT. Perplexity AI, provides sources and real-time information, fact-checking and recent news. Less detailed in complex analysis. Magnify, built specifically for investment research, portfolio analysis, and stock research. Paid features for full access. Grok, good at real-time information and reasoning, current events and market discussions. Newer, fewer specialized tools. Most serious investors use 2 to 3 tools together rather than relying on just one. How to prompt AI effectively for stock research. The quality of AI's answers depends heavily on how you ask questions. Here are some important principles. 1. Be specific instead of asking, "Is this a good stock?" Ask something more detailed and focused. 2. Ask for structured output. You can request the AI to present information in tables, bullet points, or clear categories. 3. Ask for reasoning. Add phrases like, explain your reasoning step by step and show the key data you're using. 4. Provide context. The more background you give, your investment goals, time horizon, or what specifically you want to know, the better the response. 5. Use follow-up questions. Don't stop at the first answer. Dig deeper with follow-up prompts. Step-by-step framework for using AI in stock research. Here's a practical process you can follow. Step 1. Define your research goal. Be clear about what you want to understand. Are you evaluating financial health, competitive position, growth prospects, risks, or valuation? Step 2. Gather key information using AI. Use AI to help you quickly summarize latest earnings reports and transcripts, key financial ratios and trends over time, recent news and developments, management commentary, and future outlook. Step 3. Analyze and compare companies. Ask AI to compare the target company with its competitors across important metrics. Step 4. Identify risks and red flags. Use AI to highlight potential risks mentioned in filings or earnings calls. Step 5. Form your own opinion. After getting information from AI, take time to think critically. Ask yourself, does this make sense? What might the AI be missing or oversimplifying? Step 6. Document your research. Keep notes on your reasoning and conclusions. This helps you stay disciplined and review your decisions later. Example: prompts you can use. Here are some effective prompts you can copy and adapt. Prompt 1. Company business overview. Text. Summarize. Company names, business model, main sources of revenue, and key competitive advantages based on their latest annual report. Prompt 2. Financial health analysis. Text. Analyze. Company names financial health using their most recent quarterly and annual reports. Focus on revenue growth, operating margins, debt levels, and free cash flow trends. Prompt 3. Competitive comparison text. Compare Company A and Company B across the following metrics over the past 3 years: revenue growth, operating margin, return on invested capital, and debt-to-equity ratio. Present the comparison in a clear table. Prompt 4. Risk identification text. What are the biggest risks facing company name, according to their latest 10-K filing and recent earnings calls? Summarize them clearly with explanations. Prompt 5. Valuation analysis text. Explain how to evaluate whether company name is overvalued or undervalued using common valuation metrics such as PE ratio, PIG ratio, and EV/EBITDA. Apply these metrics to the company's latest financial data. Prompt 6. Industry and market trends text. What are the major trends currently affecting the industry name industry? How might these trends impact company name in the next 3 to 5 years? Common mistakes when using AI for stock research. Here are mistakes you should avoid. Asking vague or overly broad questions. trusting AI answers without verifying the information from original sources, using AI to predict short-term stock price movements, ignoring qualitative factors that AI struggles to evaluate well, making investment decisions based only on what AI recommends without doing your own thinking, over-relying on one AI tool instead of cross-checking with multiple sources, risks and limitations of using AI for stock research. Even the best AI tools have limitations you should be aware of. AI can sometimes give confident but incorrect answers, hallucinations. It may not have access to the most complete or up-to-date information. It struggles to fully understand qualitative factors like management quality or long-term competitive advantages. Over-reliance on AI can make your research shallow and lazy. The most effective investors use AI as one tool among many, while still applying their own judgment and critical thinking. Best practices for using AI in stock research. Here are some habits that will help you get better results. Always verify important information from original sources, earnings reports, SEC filings, etc. Use multiple AI tools to cross-check information. Combine AI insights with your own knowledge and experience. Keep detailed notes of your research process. Stay skeptical. Just because AI sounds confident doesn't mean it's correct. Use AI to generate ideas and questions, then do deeper research yourself. Final thoughts. AI has become a genuinely powerful tool for stock research and market analysis. It can help you process information faster, compare companies more efficiently, and surface insights you might have otherwise missed. However, AI works best when it supports your thinking rather than replacing it. The investors who will benefit the most from AI in the coming years are those who learn how to use it effectively while still maintaining control over their own investment decisions. If you're willing to put in the effort to learn good prompting techniques and always verify important information, AI can become a real advantage in your investing process. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand how to use AI for stock research, please like and subscribe for more practical investing content. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of stocks or industries you're currently researching. I read every comment. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.